Forced to seek alternative accommodation and have been chased out of their homes. Many people have come, taken photos, overlooked the plight of our people from Kihoto, but we are saying that that should never happen again and things can never be the same again. Petition was heard. It has been established that this is a natural a phenomena that has not been brought about by people living on riparian land. The court has identified that the people living in Kihoto are not living on what is termed as riparian land. We have landowners with title deeds, people who have purchased property, people have put in their hard-earned money, constructed houses which were washed away or are no longer inhabitable. So the question was, what should happen to these people? National government, together with the county government, it should wake up, notice that there is a problem, and find a long-lasting solution to the issue at hand. So moving forward, the court has given us 30 days to serve the order upon the relevant ministries and the county government so that we can initiate the process of resettling these people and compensating them for what they have lost. This is the value of the land, together with the improvements that they have put up on their parcels of land. And the court has not forgotten the people who had rented premises in that area. It acknowledges that there are people who've been affected and are not landowners, and by virtue of that, they equally need to be compensated. So the court has also taken into account those people, and the task force that is to be created is to come up with the names of the people who have been affected. A formula for resettlement and compensation has to be embarked upon.
The year 2020, the water has displaced people here. Last year it was even worse. More than 10,000 families were displaced. Yet little help came from the national government and even the county government. Apart from the relocation of the people, there is property that was damaged within Kihoto. The people we have within Kihoto have very genuine title deeds. And today, through Wakiri Wairegi here, a solution has been found. And a demand note has been placed on the government to make compensation to the people of Kihoto and to stop using threats. The people here in Kihoto have very genuine title deeds. And owners who had invested in these plots, their houses are closed. Businesses have been closed there. We have people suffering with depression within Kihoto. We have people suffering with pressure and even diabetes within Kihoto because of the stress that has emanated from this water. Yet the government has seen it fit to compensate all the other people within the Republic, but not Kihoto. Yet the title deeds that the people of Kihoto hold are very genuine. There is no difference between the title deed within Kihoto and the seal that is in Kihoto on that title deed and that one that is in State House, Kenya, today.
Hili janga ambalo litupata hapa Kihoto, tumepitia shida nyingi ambaye serikali ingeweza kutusaidia. Lakini tukaona ya kwamba hii serikali ambayo tulichagua haitusaidii. Baada ya maji kuja, watu wakahama, mashamba ikaenda na maji, na sisi tukazidi kuhangaika. Mahali tulikuwa natoa lishe yetu, hiyo mambo ikafika mwisho. Na naamini ya kwamba kutakuwa na suluhu. Na hili jambo ni zuri sababu ya kwamba mahali tumetoka na mahali tunaelekea, mambo na matatizo tunajua ya kwamba itafika kikomo, na tunajua kuna njia mwafaka ambaye itatendeka, nasi tutakubaliana na
mahali pale Kihoto kumekuwa hata na civil servant ambaye wameenda retire. Kile ulilipo retire umeenda umeweka mahali pale, umefanyia serikali miaka mingi na umeretire, na kile umepewa umeweka mahali pale. Tena kuna kuja mtu mwingine kukuambia si kwako, na tayari umeshika mpaka title deed yako kupitia serikali. Kwa hivyo hizo jambo limekuwa kera sana. Kuna wale hata kaunti yetu, hata tunaomba mama wetu ambaye ni Susan Kihika akuje hapa waongee na watu wa Kihoto, maana tunaona kwingine kukiwa na shida, gavana wa pale anakimbia na kusimama na watu wake. Wewe mama yetu Susan, umeenda wapi? Umetuacha wapi? Na umekuwa ukija hapo kuomba kura. Kwa hivyo tunakuhitaji wakati huu, na sisi tuko na shida, ili tuweze kusemesana mahali pale na tuweze kujua tutatatua shida namna gani. Tena nashukuru siku ya leo tuko hapa kotini, tunaye matumaini pale Kihoto kwa sababu tumeona mwangaza umeanza. Kwa hivyo tunaomba hata county government itushikilie.
Naona hapa ni kashoti. Okay.